Hey everyone, welcome back to another devlog of gear game that I was making. I think this is devlog number 5. So far I have added some features to this game. With WASD, you can move around, and if you hold down shift, left shift, you can rotate your camera, and also if you keep holding your shift, you can move yourself with WASD. Now it's pretty basic. So next is I've added this gear list at the bottom, so you can place any amount of gear anywhere on the grid. By the way, this 20, the 20 represents the number of teeth on those gears. So this gear has 20 teeth, this gear has 36, and the biggest one so far is 84. So the way I designed this game is that the 84th gear, by the way, after selecting it, you have to push your left mouse button to place them, and with the right mouse button you can delete them. Now I'll just place this largest gear, and then we have the smallest gear. Now the medium gear, which is by the way 36 gear, it only meshes with 84 in a you can say sideways, from its sideways in the cross. I don't think we can call it cross, but something like this, not in a diagonal way. So as you can see, this gears only mesh with the largest gear in the plus format. Okay, now the smallest gear, it doesn't mesh with the largest gear, which is 84. Anyway, you need the 36th gear, and the way 36th gear meshes with the smallest gear is only cross. So as you can see, diagonally it will only connect to the smallest gear diagonally. So something like this. Let me just move it over there, and let's go ahead and put some gears over here too. So basically we can connect them like this. Now the small gears, they connect to themselves in, again, in the plus way, not in the cross, on the sides, and not the cross, but you can connect them like this and create a chain of them. So something like this. This mesh updating is a bit weird, like it lags a little bit, but if you're like almost on the top, I think it will work pretty good. So after this, I'll just add that gear. So let me just add a 36th gear in between them like this. Okay, so now after adding the gears the way you want them, you can click on this button, and now you, oh yeah, you can still delete them, but you cannot spawn them after clicking on this. So that is great. Now huge mechanics of this game is that you can rotate any of the gear by clicking them anywhere, and they all will rotate by themselves. Okay, now I can click on this gear and start rotating it by my mouse. So you can slowly turn them up. Also the torque and all, yeah, it's also a huge thing in this game. So just rotate your mouse slowly, it will definitely rotate accordingly. Okay, now if I take this huge gear and start rotating it, we'll get up to a speed. Let me keep rotating it. If your mouse goes a bit too far, then it will start rotating it in another direction. So just keep your mouse slowly, just keep moving it, and it will catch up to a speed soon. Okay, so now while it is rotating, you can move around. You can see how satisfying that looks, all the gears rotating. Now I'm planning to add sound to these gears. By the way, this entire project is made with the help of visual scripting, so I might convert this into C# later, but for now I think I'll just for a good speed prototyping, I think visual scripting is really great for that. So now that I know this concept is going good, I can convert everything into C#. So I don't know if you find this satisfying, but I for sure find it really satisfying to, like, you can literally go so close to these gears, and it looks, and from this angle as well you can still rotate them with your mouse. Now I think this is a bit too heavy for recording and for a viewport as well, so let's just cut down some gears. Let me go ahead and now let's see how it okay, it's rotating with a nice speed. And you know what? Even when they are rotating, let me just give it a little bit of more rotation. Let me, okay. While they are rotating, you can still mesh them with more gears like this, and they would still work, which is seriously very cool that it doesn't break um, the meshing of the other gears. Also now I can rotate them, which is seriously very cool. You can create anything you want. Also there will be some puzzle mechanic added later to this game, so stay tuned for that. um for the codes, I actually didn't do anything interesting, though I am actually thinking about changing the way I calculate the rotation of the gears. I'll rewrite those, I think, because I learned something new about rotation in the game engines, so I'll try that to incorporate in it. And if it is success, in the next video I'll tell you how I rotated, how you can also rotate something with just your mouse click or touch screen. Though this game, yeah, by the way, this game initially was for mobile, but I think this will be too much for a mobile game, so I'm planning, I've changed some plans about the launch console, so it will be PC. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this devlog. I'll see you in the next video, or maybe even a tutorial. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe if you find this helpful or entertaining or enjoyed or learned something new. I'll meet you in a next video tutorial. Bye bye.